In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find lead email addresses in Lemlist. So start by opening up your campaign in the Campaigns tab. Then next at the top menu, head over to Lead List. So in this page is where all imported and enriched contacts are stored, and each lead row displays their email address directly in the table. And if emails aren't visible, just check that your columns are configured to show the email field. Also, if you're adding new leads, you can also use Lemlist's prospecting or enrichment tools to automatically find verified emails based on name, company, or domain. And in order to do that, also make sure your enrichment credits are active. Otherwise, emails may not populate for new leads. Thank you for watching this video. Also, feel free to use our affiliate link in the description. Bye!